Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is just a quick update because I haven't posted here for a couple of weeks now, which I have been uploading consistently, but took a little break, been busy with work and a few other things. But as you may have seen on social media, I am planning a trip with Josh JB and the Apprentice Adventurer. I don't think the location's been disclosed yet, but you'll find out soon enough. But at the moment, I'm currently getting the bike ready, the WR. I'm just here at my parents' place because he's just got so much room to work on the bike. But just freshening it up. So engine oil filter, brand new air filter because I had washed and cleaned that one quite a few times. So got a new one in there. I put a new front tire on. So this is the Motos Enduro IT, or Motos Tractionator Enduro IT. I'm also putting the rear on, so I've just got that one cooking in the sun. I've already put it on the rim and about to put the tube in. What else have I done? Yeah, done that. Spark plugs. So we've put in a new spark plug because that was a bit overdue because it doesn't run an iridium plug. So they say every 12,000. I've got 16,000 on the bike now, so that was overdue. But yeah, the bike's going to be good to go. Big trip coming up, and yeah, we're going to be tackling some pretty challenging technical terrain. So hopefully these tires help a little bit with that. But the recent riding I've been doing has been quite technical. As you probably saw in my last trip, we hit the Vic High Country, hit some awesome tracks there, and hopefully those skills help with the tracks that I'm going to be hitting in this adventure that's coming up. So just wanted to check in with you guys. I will do one more video probably before the trip, just talking about what I'm packing, because I made a video over a year ago now about my setup, but the setup has changed a lot. We've done some big adventures since then. We've upgraded a lot of things. So yeah, I want to do a video talking about that. I think you guys will find that interesting, but looking forward to this one. Less than a month to go, but if you want to catch that video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to get an update when those videos are posted. But otherwise guys, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.